Well, students, last time we discussed about addition and subtraction of matrices. Today we will study matrix, matrix multiplication. Now, when two matrices can be multiplied, suppose A and B are two matrices. They can only be multiplied when number of column of first matrix is equal to the number of row of second matrix. So suppose A is an m by n matrix and B is n by p matrix, then the product is possible as number of column of matrix first matrix A is equal to number of row of second matrix B. So this multiplication is possible, and so that the resultant matrix, which is the product of AB, will be, the order will be n cross p, that is number of row of first matrix and number of column of second matrix. So this is the condition for the multiplication of two matrix, that number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of row of second matrix, and the product matrix will have the order, that is number of row of first matrix and number of column of second matrix. Suppose here in this part we cannot have B cross A. Why? Because now the first matrix is B, whose order is n by p. So p is the number of column, and the first matrix is m by n, second matrix is m by n, whose number of row is m. So p is not equal to m. So this product is not possible. Now comes that how we will multiply the two matrices. For that, I am taking an example and I am telling you the method of doing the multiplication. Suppose A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it is a 2 by 3 matrix. Now B I take minus 1, 2, 0, 4, minus 5, 3. Arbitrarily I have taken from my mind. Now this order is 3 by 2 matrix. So now whether A into B possible or not, let us verify. It is 2 by 3 and this is 3 by 2. So it is possible because the number of column of first matrix A is equal to number of row of second matrix B. So the product matrix will be, say, some matrix C. What will be orders? That will be the number of row of first matrix, that is 2, and number of column of second matrix, that is 2. So it will be a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let us perform the multiplication, as we know that A cross B is possible here. So I will write A into B, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then next one into minus 1, 2, 0. Then 4, minus 5, 3. So what happens, that first row will be multiplied, the elements will be multiplied with first column of the second matrix. First row of first matrix will be multiplied with first column of second matrix. Then it will give the element of 1, 1 matrix, 1, 1 element of the product matrix. 1, 1 element, first row, first column. So how I will do? So you see carefully, this is the first row, and this is the first column of second matrix. So 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, then plus sign I will give. This is the first row, first column element, 2 into 2, plus 3 into 0. So you can see here first row is multiplied with first column. Then first row will be multiplied with second column. So it will be 1, 2 element. First row, second column element of the product matrix. So it will be 1 into 4. 1 into 4. It is 1 into 4. Then 2 into minus 5 plus 3 into how much? 3. So plus 2 into minus 5 plus 3 into 3. Okay, third column is not there, otherwise we would have done third column also. Then so it ends there. Then second row, first column. Second row, first column. So as the name suggests, the element we search here for second row, first column. So second row of first matrix will be multiplied with first column of second matrix. So it will be 4 into minus 1 plus 5 into 2 plus 6 into 0. Then second row, second column. I think now you understand what it is. 4 into 4 plus 5 into minus 5 plus 6 into 3. Now you add, multiply and add. So it is minus 1, 4 and it is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 4 minus 10 and it is 9. So it is again 3. Minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1 and it is 4. So it is 4 minus 1, that is 3. Then minus 4, 10 and 0. Minus 4, 10, so it is 6. And here 16 minus 25 plus 18. 16 plus 18 minus 25. So it is minus 7, 16, it is 9. Alright. So you can see easily that what we had predicted for the product matrix, like that it is 2 by 2 matrix. So as you understood now, the method of doing the multiplication, some matrices you can do. Now mind here that we have to up to 2 by 2 matrix we have to do in this syllabus. Now a few questions I will do, like if there is a square matrix, say A 2 3, A is equal to 2 3 1 4. Now if I ask you to find out A square doesn't mean that you square each element of the number. It is not 4, 9, 1, 16, not like that. A square means A into A, and square is possible only if it is a square matrix. Then only you can take out A square. So what it will be? 2, 3, 1, 4 into 2, 3, 1, 4. So now you multiply, it will be 2 into 2 plus first row, first column, 2 into 2, first row, first column. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Then first row, second column, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4. Then second row, first column, second row, first column. So 1 into 2 plus 4 into 1. Then second row, second column. So it is 1 into 3 plus 4 into 4. Now you multiply 4 plus 3 7, then 6 plus 12 18, then 2 plus 4 6, then 3 plus 16 19. So that is it, 7. Alright. So this is the, let us check the calculation also. 7, 6 plus 12 18, then 2 plus 4 6, then 3 plus 16 19. Alright. So hope you understood the multiplication process. A few questions, 1 or 2 questions I will do, rest you can do. This is the chapter. Suppose here it is given, one question is given, which often comes in the examination, this type of question, that it is given 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 3, 4, 4 into x, x is a matrix, capital X is a matrix, is equal to 7, 6, 7, 6. Now you have to find out matrix X. It is not that any element is asked as X. It is the matrix X you have to find out. So what you will do, you will write down, this is 2 by 2 matrix, first matrix. Second matrix we don't know. We have to find it out. And the product matrix is, it is 2 by 1. So what we will find here, first we will try to find out the order of the matrix X. Now as we know, since the product is possible and we are getting a result matrix, so the number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of row of second matrix. So its row number should be 2. And you understood, the product matrix is possible, so matrix multiplication is taking place. So the condition is number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of row of second matrix. So second matrix must have the number of row, that is the number of column of first matrix, that is 2. So its row will be 2. And what will be its column? Number of column. So we know that resultant matrix, the product of two matrices, has the order, that is number of row of first matrix, which is 2, and number of column of second matrix, that is 1. So second matrix must have the order 1. Alright, so now you know that order of x should be 2 by 1. So we will consider, let X is a matrix which is 2 by 1 matrix. So you consider it A, B, any two element you consider. Now you have to find out A, B. So 2, 1 minus 3, 4 into AB is equal to 7, 6. Now you multiply. Now the multiplication rule you know, first row, first column. So 2A plus 1 into B, that is B. Then first row, second column is not available, so that element will not be there. Then second row, first column, minus 3A plus 4B. I explained you how to multiply, so I am doing it directly. 2 into A plus 1 into B, minus 3 into A plus 4 into B. So I have written like this, and this is equal to 7, 6. Already we have discussed about the equation part. So first element will be equal to the first element of this one. So 2A plus B is equal to 7, and minus 3A plus 4B is equal to 6. So this you mark as equation 1, this you mark as equation 2. So now what you can do, you can solve these equations to get the values of x and y. So how we will do? We will do by multiplying 1 with 3 and 2 with 2 and adding. So we will do 1 multiply with 3 plus equation 2 multiplied with how much? 2. And we are doing the addition. Simultaneous equation we have studied in 9th class. So what it will be when you multiply 3 with 2A and B and 7. So it is becoming 6A plus 3B. 6A plus 3B is equal to 21. And you are multiplying 2 with second equation. So it will become minus 6A plus 8B is equal to 12. So now you add, these two will cancel, so it is 11B is equal to 33. So B is equal to 33 by 11, which is equal to 3. Okay, now putting B is equal to 3 in 1 we get 2a plus 3 is equal to 7. So 2a is equal to 4, a is equal to 2. So you have got a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Our answer doesn't end here. Why? Because matrix X is asked. So you have to write it as X is equal to matrix form. You have to write putting the value of, so X is equal to AB, so it is 2 and it is 3. Now your answer is complete, 2 and 3. So hope you have understood this particular part. Similar questions are there. Suppose I take one question, another question. Say x3x y4y, x3x y4y is multiplied with 2 1. Similar question, 2 1. Answer is 5 12. It is much easier here. You need not find the order first. Now you multiply here. It is easy. 2x plus 3x, and here it will be 2y plus 4y, is equal to 5 by 12. 5 by not 5 by 12, 5 12. So it is 5x and 6y is equal to 5 12. Now you equate 5x is equal to 5, implies x is equal to 1, 6y is equal to 12, implies y is equal to 2. So answer is simple, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Like that you can have many questions which you can try it out. Let me see if I can do something more for you. One more question. Let me do it for you. Simple one. You have to find xy again when the condition is 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, minus 1 4, 1 4. It is multiplied with another matrix, that is 2x1, 2x1. It is 2 by 2 matrix, it is 2 by 1 matrix. So number of column is equal to number of rows of the second matrix, so it is possible. Now addition sign is given 2 minus 4, 5, and it is given equal to 4, 2y, 2y. So what you have to do, you have to find out x and y. Now what I will do, I will multiply here. So multiplication process, you have understood, first row, first column. So 3 into 2x plus minus 2 into 1. First row, first column, first row, second column is not there, so we will not do. Then second row, first column, minus 1 into 2x plus 4 into 1. This is it, plus. Now here it is addition sign, so I will multiply. So 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Then 10, this part I had already explained in the previous video. Then this is equal to 8 and 4y. 8 and 4y. So now you multiply, it is 6x minus 2. This is minus 2x plus 4. Now this is 2 by 1 matrix, plus minus 8, 10 is equal to 8 and 4y. So here you will do the addition, so it will be 6x minus 2 minus 8 plus minus 8, then minus 2x plus 4 plus 16 is equal to 8. If you have missed the first video, see it and practice that one first, and then you come to this chapter. 6x minus 10, and this is minus 2x plus 20 is equal to 8 4y. So 6x minus 10 is equal to 8, 6x is equal to 18, then x is equal to 3. Similarly, we will do minus 2 plus 20 is equal to 4y. So minus 2 plus 20 is, we could have done, here I have left, I think it is minus 2x. So minus 2x plus 20 is equal to 4y. Now x you have already got, so minus 2 into 3 plus 20 is equal to 4y. So 20 minus 6, 20 minus 6 is 14 is equal to 2x okay, alright, let me check out 20 I have to 3 minus 2 is minus 3. So x is equal to 3 minus 6, 2x minus plus 14 it will be. Sorry, this is 10, right? I have taken it 16, so this is 10. Hello. So this is 14. So this is 14. So 6 minus 6 plus 14 is 8 is equal to 4y, and it implies y is equal to 2. So children, you practice this chapter and solve it. I think whatever is discussed, that is enough for you to finish up the exercise. Thank you.